Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to enable or disable the phone app Haptics on iPhone in iOS 26.1 or later. The latest iteration of iOS offers a pretty subtle haptic feedback when a call is connected or dropped. While many have termed this feature pretty handy, some have found it irritating. So, if you also find that little bit irritating, you can choose to enable or disable it as per your needs. That's it. Let's get started. So first we have to launch the settings app on your iPhone running iOS 26.1 or later. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the apps option. Then you have to find the phone app and select it. And finally, you have to enable or disable the toggle for haptics and you're all set. So that's how you can easily take control of the phone app haptics on your iPhone. Whether you enjoy the subtle vibration feedback when a call is dropped or connected, the choice is completely yours. Adjusting this setting lets you personalize how your iPhone feels during calls and dialing. So make sure to take advantage of this feature as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you in the next one.